Hey everyone. So I wanted to film this because there's literally a storm coming in. I want to catch some strikes here and there. Literally just for your entertainment there, folks. It's getting quite windy now. I think things gonna literally be blowing on the microphone there. Always a wind before a storm. Hear thunder, then I know there's been a strike of lightning. Thing is, it's always quite hard to predict where lightning is gonna strike. But it's always just as good to take a guess. And if I did have to take a guess, probably somewhere behind this house is where I'm guessing that lightning might strike. I want to capture at least a couple of lightning strikes and booms of thunder. Literally want you to see everything. Oh, that was a boom of thunder, but I didn't see any lightning. I was literally looking all around. It's definitely come from the southwest though. Perhaps it's just still by the coast. Maybe it's just behind the trees. But I can definitely promise you that we will get to see some lightning strikes. That's my definite promise. This is like a huge cold front that's coming in. And they're they got another strike of thunder there. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. Barely though. Just that much of rain. That was nothing. That was literally nothing. Oh, there it comes. I stand corrected. I stand corrected. Anyway, the rain is definitely coming down here. Oh, I saw it. There was a strike of lightning. I saw it. I saw it. Oh, let's go. Got some action here, folks. Right up here, right up there. Do I see something else? I won't know until I hear it. I won't know until I hear it. Bro, imagine the winter storm coming about. That giant. Oh, it stopped raining. For now, that is. Let me just... Hold on. Well, if I see there is some more lightning coming, expanding heat that comes with it, guess they might as well have a crack at it, hey? It's a pun. I'm winking inside my forehead. And even the storm got it as well. Oh, holy dolly.
Dogs are enjoying the storm.
Sky is literally so dark right now. Gonna get that. I only saw one flash so far. That was it. Hear thunder. But perhaps it may be in the clouds. Ha! That's funny. But if it's definitely someone breaking the sound barrier, that'd be Thunderbird 3. Rain's coming back. Oh, happened right above us. Got another strike. I saw it. You're gonna hear that. Bro. Literally. Oh my goodness. We've got it all coming down here. Tell me, bro, if that's not as dramatic as that storm in autumn, then I don't know what is. Got some more thunder going about here. And it's stopped again. My bro is definitely acting sort of strange today. Definitely ready to catch the action though. weirdos. Yeah, that's Zeus right there, telling them dogs, stop arguing, you lot. You better go inside and have some tea and crackers, bro. And that is obviously a Wallace and Gromit reference. Hey, boy. Look at how dark and ominous the sky is. I can literally imagine the next minute or so it's going to be pouring down so heavily you might not even hear my own voice. Look how crazy it's getting here. And the clouds are literally moving so fast. Here we go. Oh, false alarm. False alarm. This storm is definitely acting kinda strange today. Alright. Oh, I saw a lightning strike. Hold up. I just saw a lightning strike and the camera was pointing right towards it. Get ready. I think that was that thunder. That kind of tells me that this lightning strike was at high altitude. Yeah, most of the lightning strikes are at high altitude, if I'm gonna be honest. That's why we're not seeing as much, but we're hearing more of it, you know what I mean? Harvey Fresh. Go get your beef today, folks. If you live in Australia, that is. Harvey Fresh sells quite some quality beef there. Literally just saw a truck with that brand going by. Look at this. I can hear it. I can hear it. Hold up. Hold up. I can hear it. I can hear it. Listen. Come. I can hear it. I can hear it. Just as soon as I heard that, I knew what was going to happen. Just as soon as I heard that, I knew what was going to happen.
One down. Two go.
I knew it. I knew that was going to happen. Oh. This is gonna be... Got some rain here, folks. And it's getting very, very windy. This storm is certainly acting quite strange today. Now I've got all that rain. sure. Whoa! Better run for it, bro. Just have a look at all this crazy weather here. I kid you not. If I'm gonna be honest, it's definitely more wilder than that storm we've had in autumn. It's definitely more wilder than that storm we've had in autumn. That's for sure.